welcome back to my channel. So I'm filming using my new phone and I think the graphic is pretty good, but yeah, my hair's all wet so it looks a bit funny right now. But today I have an exciting unboxing to share with you guys, and it's from Daniel Wellington. So supposedly I have 3 items to show you guys, but I lost one of it so when I was out drinking. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox the 2 items right now. So these are the 2 items that I have to unbox to show you guys. It's actually for the 11/11 and Black Friday promotion, which is coming up soon. So yeah, let's unbox this one first right here. So we have the usual Daniel Wellington box over here. Slide it open. You have another box, and then voila, open it up and you can. So this is their silver iconic watch in 28mm. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up right now so you guys can get a clearer idea, and I think it looks super cute. So this is a silver iconic link watch in 28mm. It comes in 2 different colors, either the gold or the silver, and that's how the link looks like close up. It's really delicate and cute, and it comes with an extra link as well in case you got your size wrongly. I really love their clip-on system, which is super secure, and even a small wrist person like me can fit in well. So that's how you clip it on, and that's how it looks like when you wear them on. This is my first watch in silver color. Usually I go for rose gold or gold. So it's a new change and I absolutely love it. So yeah. So the next item I'm going to show you guys comes with their Daniel Wellington box as well. Slide it open, we have another box. Magic show, huh? And then, ta-da! This is their Allen necklace in silver color. I have it in the white and gold color, and I think I really love this silver one. It actually goes so well with a lot of like cocktail evening outfit. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up right now so you guys can get a clearer idea of what to expect. So this is the Allen necklace in silver color. It comes in gold and white as well, and I love the chain. It's really delicate and adorable. On it actually wrote Daniel Wellington in silver, like it's a contrasting between the light silver and the dark silver color, and that's how the clip-on looks like. At the back there's the logo as well for those of you who want to buy online and want to clarify whether it's the real item. And yeah, it fits all kind of like neck size, and it's just super cute. So these are 2 necklaces in different color. Both are lovely and I love it so much. Thank you for watching it till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, and I linked the discount code below for you guys to use. So yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!